Hi, this is 4th of July 2026, and today is Saturday, and what I'm going to talk about is it's going to be a very interesting video. So, what I have been done doing since last Friday was absolutely insane, brother. Like, that three lots of contracts, the mini contracts on GC. Actually, I was in a deep drawdown, so come back to break even, let's say, in just a 3 or 4 minutes with GC, um, with Lucid futures. Amazing, bro, amazing. I love this, the future, and I think so. It's about to let's pause the VNV givers, which has on Twitter. Let's pause this. And the minimum payout is 500 USD. So let's take that out, bro. This is gonna be game changing if it's if it's literally came out of the uh, pro form. Oh my god, let's get it. Wanna buy like 4 or 5, 600 up to 10? Okay, let's do it. Like I had also before 150K account, I had blown away. Like it was a tradaway account, so I was not able to get it was the data I was watching. So there was something like deep charts. Okay, so but in trade C I see the charts as well as the order flow. Both are amazing features, bro. I like this trade C, and some features drag and drop are still there, not there. Well, like modification, and I want to have that all the what do we call some limit features. So of course they're gonna come, and I will definitely be sure to take that risk, the high caliber risk. That's absolutely amazing, and definitely one of the best thing I will do. Thank you so much for the giveaway. And the last giveaway on the CFD, what we have done so far, like past 3 trading days with amazing 0.5%. Risk was very high, and let's say um, I need $1,000 to get the payout. Let's do this. Let's do this, and I'm sure we'll have a better tour maybe this year. And my dream is to go, bro, to see that institutions that already killing in this game. Like I loved it. So it will be in a trade center in Dubai. I'll see. Just manifesting 3 months before. Let's see what's gonna happen. It's always a surprise for me, but I don't know what path I've chosen.